Greetings, Professor McQueen. I hope all is well. I wanted to go ahead and welcome you to the technical implementation of Brown's Dental Office Database presented by Group 4, where we will be using dbFiddle to demonstrate our SQL logic. As you can see, I already went ahead and opened up dbFiddle and titled the file Brown's Dental Database. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open the file in which we have our schema SQL saved and copy it and paste it into dbFiddle. Here is our schema SQL, so I'm going to go ahead and copy it, minimize this file, and paste it into our schema SQL. Next, I'm going to go ahead and run the code and make sure that our query is running smoothly. Great. Now that our query is running smoothly, I want to go ahead and test a query. I'm going to do the list all patients, which is query 1, so that should include ID, contact info, and everything needed to pull up specific details about specific patients. So I'm going to start with select patient ID, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, phone number, comma, email. I'm going to go to the next row, from patient, end it off with a semicolon. And if I've typed in this code correctly, it should run smoothly. Great, perfect. So now we have our table, which includes our patient IDs, their first name, last name, phone number, and email. Apart from typing the query, my team and I already went ahead and made our 20 specific queries and curated the codes for them as well. So instead of typing them, we can also paste it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy query 1 to see if that's running smoothly as well. So you have your typing version and then you have your pasting version. I'm going to go ahead and run that as well. The same thing popped up. I want to go ahead and demonstrate another query, which will be query 13. It will list each service and standard duration. So once again, I'm going to go ahead, backspace on that, open up our file in which we have all our queries and codes saved, and scroll all the way down to 13. List each service and its standard duration. I'm going to go ahead and copy this right now. Minimize the file, paste it, and run it. As you can see, every service and duration has popped up. For example, cleaning, checkup, x-ray, filling, extraction, whitening, root canal, brace, consultation, fluoride treatment, and all of the times that go with it as well. In this query, it's basically in the service catalog. It is critical for the office manager to know the standard duration of each procedure for scheduling purposes. It provides a clear list of dental procedures and how long they are expected to take. And overall, I feel like these examples confirm that our database successfully captures the core business entities and allows for immediate data access. Thank you. Now I'm going to go ahead and run one more query just for good measure. Let's see, let's pick one. Let's see. List employees who have no scheduled appointments. So if they don't have any appointments, then it should pop up as null. If they do, then it should go ahead and be filled out. We'll go ahead and run the code. Noah Garcia is the only employee that does not have an appointment. Thank you so much, Professor McQueen, for sitting and watching the video implementation of our database project. Both files will also be shared in the submission of our project, which is the schema SQL, as well as all the queries and codes, the 20 queries and codes that we have selected for our project. In addition to that, my team will go ahead and submit a Google document that is going to expand on the slide presentation in which we have already curated for your own measure. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Signing out, Team 4.